Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to do a review on the app Handy, where you can make upwards of $100 an hour. Let's get into it. Handy is an app for your phone that allows you to book Handyman in your area. You can book top-rated cleaners and handyman at the push of a button. Choose a date and time that's convenient for you, and they will automatically match you with a highly rated professional. So if you're a cleaning professional, a handyman, or other home service professional, download the Handy for Pros app. I'm a pretty handy guy and I wanted to earn a little extra cash on the weekends. So you just download the app, create an account, and let them know what type of services you want to provide. It's nice because you're basically a freelance contractor and can set your own hours and when you want to work. So I'm going to do a rundown of what the app looks like and then my experience on my first job. So during the setup process, you have to put in your name, address, bank account, social security number. That way they can file a W-2 for tax time. You'll probably want to hold back around 30% at the end of the year for taxes. And then Handy's worried about COVID, so you'll need to make sure that you're not sick and that you have your proper PPE on. So as you can see, the menu's set up by dates and times, and then it'll give a brief description of the payment that you'll be receiving and what you'll be doing at that time and location. So right there, $36 to put together a TV stand, $49 to put in a portable air conditioner, $36 for furniture repair. I made $70 for an hour and a half to put up some curtain rods, so the job I chose was pretty simple. There are higher paying jobs. I think I saw roof repair for like $400, drywall work for $300. It just varies on your skill level, what you're willing to do. So for example, I'll put together this TV stand for $36 in Ottumwa at noon. You go ahead and click on it and it'll basically give you a description, location, and payment for what you'll be doing and where you're going to be doing it. Once you claim the job, you can go ahead and communicate with the customer. That way you can get to know exactly what they need you to do. And then you'll be responsible for bringing your own tools, supplies, or anything else that you need for the job. Also, if you're planning on making this a full-time career, you should probably buy insurance. That way, if you damage the home or you're hurt on that person's property, you'll be covered for that. I'll also say one thing that I didn't like about Handy was the amount of finder's fee they take. The woman that hired me to do the curtain rod hanging, Amy, actually paid $160 and I only got to keep $70 of that. So Handy took about a 60% finder's fee. I've tried other apps like TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, just to name a couple, and those also weren't as reliable as this. Handy seems like it's the one that can actually help you promote your business as an independent contractor and then get you reliable work. So yeah, they did have a list of tasks that they're willing to hire you for. Painting, moving, general handyman, furniture assembly, like lawn and yard work, carpentry, specialized cleaning, electrical, plumbing, technology, like hanging a TV, hooking up a TV system, just to name a few. Check out another side hustle video right here. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.